All right, here's a nice question. You have to try and simplify this expression, adding or subtracting. So I'm needing to get it down to the same thing. Like if I had 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2, if they're both root 2's, then I can add their coefficients. So this would be 5 root 2. So I want to do the same thing. This one looks like it's down to the lowest one. So I'll bet that they all have to go to that. Now they're all cube roots, so I'm looking for three things that are the same inside, bring one out. So for that first term, um, I can change that to, since there's four A's, I can bring three of them out to be one outside, then it'd be cube root, and I'll just have 5A inside. And that's the same as this last one, so I know I'm on the right, hopefully on the right track. Plus, now 135, cube root of 135. So what multiplies to 135? 9. I wonder if 9 will go into 135 once. 5. Yeah, 15 times. Oh, but that's, oh, but I need a cube root. A cube root. So 135. So I know it's 9 times 15. And 9 is 3 times 3. 15 is 3 times, there we go. There's my 3 5s. So maybe I should erase this. And I'll do the cube root of 3 times 3 times 3 times 5a. And there's three 3's, so I can bring one out. So there'd be a 3 out here. And then a cube root of 5a. On the first one, I already took care of that one. 5a, same, minus the cube root of 5a over here, same. Now that they're all the same, I can gamble with their coefficients. This one doesn't have a coefficient, so I assume it to be a 1. So you could just write a plus 3 minus 1, and then all have the cube root of 5a. I sort of like thinking that this a little bit differently. Like here's a term, here's a term, here's a term. They all have a cube root of 5a in it. So why not factor out a cube root 5a? If you take it out of here, you're left with an a. Take it out of there, you're left with a 3. Out of here, you're left with a minus 1. And then you can simplify that a little bit because 3 take away 1 is 2. So this would be a plus 2. And that's the answer that they had in the back. Hopefully that helps you with that one.